Hello guys, this is how to get a lost snap streak back. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So we're gonna go ahead and open up Snapchat, and then we're gonna click on the profile icon on the top left corner, and then we're gonna click on settings. Once we get to settings, you'll scroll down to support, click on I need help. And then in the search bar, we're gonna search snap streaks. And then those options will pop up there. We'll click on I lost my snap streak. How do I restore it? So with the new update, support team does not restore the streaks for you. So you go ahead and follow the steps right there. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and the 4th and 5th step, which is pretty easy. And then as you scroll down on that page, it will show you how you can maintain your snap streaks to ensure that it does not happen again. So I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.